meron nagsabi sa akin na may invitation na yung Senate sa akin. But if you talk about my preference, I would rather appear sa lower house. Kasi nga, doon nga yung gera eh. So, doon tayo pupunta sa may gera. And at the same time, doon naman sa Senate, with all due respect, gusto ko lang na magbigay galang sa kanila. But sana maintindihan nila na kung pwede sana, doon muna ako mauna sa Kamara.
Bakit sir? Ganyan ang gusto nyo sa... But sa House, are you ready to... Kasi syempre, kung doon yung sinasabing lawmakers na sangkot sa flood control, are you ready to name them during the hearing?
Siguro, hindi ko muna sagutin yan, Buti na lang siguro. Basta ang sagot ko lang dyan is, kung saan yung battlefield, doon tayo.
Sir, pero how prepared are you about this?
Siguro malalaman nyo na lang pag nandun ako.
Oo. Pero how many people are we talking about?
Hintayin na lang natin siguro kung ano yung mangyayari.
Sir, ano pong masasabi natin na pinapa-courtesy resignation po ni now DPWH ang ilan sa mga tauhan din po ng DPWH?
Well, I think that's the right approach. Kasi ang first order of the day is to cleanse the agency, clean up the agency. And the only way to do that is really, require everyone to file, especially members of top management, to file their courtesy resignation. You will have a free hand on who to choose based on your screening and vetting process. Kaya tama lang yan. Tama lang yung ganun ang gawin nila. And knowing Vince Dizon, if you want things to happen, go for Secretary Vince. And I'm very confident that he can make things happen because I've known him since 2005. We've been together and we worked closely together during the COVID pandemic. Kaya ako very confident ako kay Secretary Vince.
How would you describe your resolve, sir, to pursue this to the end?
We're very much committed. I cannot describe the commitment, pero isa lang ang masasabi ko, we're going to keep the fire burning.
Pero bakit, sir? Bakit ganun kapusigito?
Well, kuwan lang we have a motivation. And the motivation is to make sure that our young kids, yung children namin, our children, our grandchildren will have a good future. And of course, survival ng ating country. I've been reading a lot of things about Venezuela. And I don't want it to happen in our country. I don't want na sayang lang yung mga pinaghirapan natin, empowering our young people, training them to become leaders, only to find out that when our economy collapses, everybody gets negatively impacted.
Hindi ka natatakot, Mayor? It can get really ugly.
I heard na kung ano yung nangyari doon sa contractor na binaril sa things can happen. But as I've said, we have to prepare for it. Galing naman ako sa military, galing sa police. And I'm well aware of my security as well and the hazards and the risk. But that won't stop me from pursuing this crusade. Sabi nga nila, a lot of people are already asking me to stop because of safety reasons. But sabi ko na sa nila na if I give up, then it is as if I've given up on the future of my children and my grandchildren. So, tuloy-tuloy lang ang laban natin.
So wala pang tawag from Malacanang or any feelers regarding the independent commission?
Wala pa naman. Kaya naghihintay lang ako kung anong desisyon ng ating presidente. We always defer to the wisdom of the president.
But how willing are you, sir, to be part of it?
I think I made it clear several times that I'm willing to be part of the independent investigating body kung kailangan nila yung serbisyo ko. But ako naman, alam ko naman na si Presidente, he has his own strategy. Alam ko naman na pipiliin niya credible individuals, have distinguished themselves and have good track record and reputation. Kaya, because this will actually determine his credibility as well. Kaya, he won't miss this opportunity. He will pursue this. Ako, nakita ko sa kanya during his inspection dito sa Cannon Road, nung nakasama ko siya. I saw the conviction, I saw the commitment, and he's really determined to really go for it and pursue this until the end of his term. And it will go beyond. Kaya dapat yung next administration, dapat i-sustain itong effort na to because there's no short-term solution for this. And there's only a long-term. And it will be a difficult journey. Very challenging at the same time. Mapanganib, very dangerous to. But it will not stop us from this our advocacy.